Can you describe the difference between user interface design and user experience design? No doubt, user interface design and user experience design are closely related fields, but they focus on different aspects of the user's interaction with the product. Here is a breakdown of their differences. User interface design and user experience design are two separate but related disciplines. User interface design focuses on the visual elements and interaction of a digital product. It creates aesthetically pleasing and functional user interfaces that are visually pleasing and intuitive for users. UI designers are responsible for designing elements such as icons, color schemes, typography, and layout. On the other hand, UX design encompasses the entire user journey and aims to create a smooth and meaningful experience for users. This includes understanding user needs, conducting user research, creating frameworks and prototypes, and then testing and iterating the design. UX designers focuses on overall user flow, information architecture, and product usability. Simply put, UI design deals with the look and feel of a product, while UX design focuses on how it works and how users interact with it. Additionally, while UI design is a part of UX design, both are critical to creating a successful digital experience. Effective collaboration between UI and UX designers is critical to ensure a consistent and enjoyable user experience. In other words, both UI and UX design are necessary to create a successful product. And that's beautiful.